Next example number 4. How to find the cube of numbers. Find the cube of 99 using expansion formula. Cube of 99 using expansion formula. First find out, first factor the 99 in between the minus sign. 99 cube. 99 cube means 99 means 100 minus 1 bracket cube. Okay. First write down 99 in term of minus subtraction. Now let's see here, value of A is 100 and value of B is 1. Now by using formula A minus B bracket cube is equal to A cube minus 3A square B plus 3AB square minus B cube. Put here value of A. 100 minus 1 bracket cube, it means 99 cube is equal to A cube means 100 cube minus 3 into square of 100 into 1 plus 3 into 100 into 1 square minus 1 cube. Here the cube of 100 is a 10 lakh. Minus 3 into square of 100. Square of 100 is 10,000 into 1 plus 3 into 100 into 1 minus cube of 1 is a 1. Now multiply this. Now multiply this. This is the 10 lakh minus 3 into 10,000 into 3, that is a 30,000 plus 3 into 100 into 1, that is a 300 minus 1 plus first add this term and then minus, means 10 lakh 300 minus 30,001. So the answer is 9,70,299. This is a cube of 9. By using this formula, you will find out the cube of bigger numbers. Let's solve the one more example here. Example number 5. 48 cube. (48) means first write the in subtraction form. 48 cube means 50 minus 2 bracket cube. Here value of A is equal to 50 and value of B is equal to 2. Now by using formula A minus B bracket cube is equal to A cube minus 3A square B plus 3AB square minus B cube. So 48 bracket cube is equal to 50 minus 2 cube is equal to, put here values, a cube means 50 cube minus 3 into a square means 50 square into b means 2 plus 3 into 50 into 2 square minus 2 cube. Now cube of 50 is 1,25,000 minus 3 into square of 50 is 2,500 into 2 plus 3 into 50 into square of 2 is a 4 minus cube of 2 is 8. So here 1,25,000 minus 3 into 2, that is 6 into 2,500. The answer is 15,000 plus 3 into 50 into 4, that is 600 minus 8. First add the addition terms. 1,25,600 minus this minus become plus, that is 15,008. So answer is 1,10,592. This is the cube of 48. Now next example number 6. X upon 3 minus 3 upon x bracket cube. Here value of a is x upon 3 and value of b is 3 upon x. Now by using formula, a minus b bracket cube is equal to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Now put this value in this formula. X upon 3 minus 3 upon x bracket cube is equal to a cube means x upon 3 bracket cube minus 3 into a square means x upon 3 bracket square into b means 3 upon x plus 3 into a, that is x upon 3, into b square means 3 upon x bracket square minus b cube means 3 upon x bracket cube. Let's cube the all numbers. See here, x cube upon cube of 3 is 27 minus 3 into the square, this x square upon 9 into 3 upon x plus here 3 into x upon 3 into here cube of square of 3 is 9 upon x square minus cube of 3 is 27 upon x cube. Let's see in these two terms. 3 1 is 3, 3 3 is 9, 3 1 is 3, 3 3 is 9. Sorry, 3 1 is 3. And here are 2x means x into x and here x. So 1x get cancelled. Here 3 3 get cancelled. Here also same, x get cancelled with square. So remaining values are x cube upon 27 minus here remain only x plus here only 9 upon x minus 27 upon x cube. This is the answer of x minus 3 minus x bracket cube.